flash it this way, Dad.
Go ahead.
Hello, everybody. We are at Upper Crystal Lake. As you can see, there are lots of goats there and there. Also, we are at the big, not very deep,
Not cold, very cold.
and very cold, Cindy says,
Mommy, Daddy, and Cindy.
where they all went swimming. And there's tons of beautiful plants, fluffy ones, purple ones, and white ones. Thank you for coming. And here's a flower for Mommy. Sydney, look at this. Come on.
Yeah.
Come here. My turn for the video.
But don't step on the plants. Make sure you guys stay on it.
That was a red flower.
Sydney, you got a brush?
Well, yeah, he has to be prepared.
Okay, Sydney.
Yeah. The red one and the purple.
I'm not ready. Let's prep.
Goodness gracious. Okay.